Why is this year's Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition so lackluster in popularity?
In 2024, there were 3,383 exhibitors. In 2025, there will be 3,188, and by 2026, only 2,802. In just 3 years,
The number of exhibitors at the Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition
has dropped by nearly 600. So what exactly is going on with the audience at the exhibition this year?
Why do people say the atmosphere at the Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition
Feels a bit cold. Ming Shui Optoelectronics will take just 2 minutes today to help you see
what's really happening at the Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition. When people mention Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition,
what do you all think of?
For me, it's all about Ma Ping's WeChat moments and those endless invitations.
Exactly, but have you noticed there's suddenly a gap now? This is caused by several reasons. The first reason is that product homogenization is extremely serious now. There are no new products, so it's easy to feel like you're just seeing the same thing. It's always the same thing.
Year after year, it's the same stuff. What's the point of even looking?
So if everything's the same, what are people competing on?
Isn't it just a price war then? Exactly.
The second issue is that now everyone can compete on price, right? This will make people focus on the price instead of the results.
You offer a low price, but someone else offers an even lower one.
In this way, the trade show becomes very awkward. You want to talk about technology, but the customer talks about price. You want to talk about quality, but the booth next door starts quoting an even lower price. Over time, the appeal of the trade show diminishes, which leads to a third problem. The audience that the trade show attracts will change.
who used to come to the Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition.
Weren't they here to look for new products, to observe trends, find suppliers, and seek inspiration?
But now, if you go to the exhibition, you'll see that a large portion of the attendees are actually peers from the same industry coming to check your prices and learn your technology. You hardly see any foreigners anymore, and with the internet being so advanced, you can just visit the official website to see the products. Who would still bother coming in person? So I can't be bothered to go to the exhibition anymore.
No wonder I hardly saw any foreigners.
The Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition is still
An important meeting point for the lighting industry. But even though the exhibition's popularity has cooled down, it doesn't mean the lighting industry is in decline. In fact, the real strength still lies in the scale of the manufacturing bases and the quality of the LED strip products. Follow Ming Shu's insights so you won't get lost. We'll share more valuable content in the next episode.